Hello children, today is EVS class. Today we are going to learn about seasons. Children, do you know what it means season? Season means mosam. Okay. There are three types of season in India. Okay. India में three types season होती है. That is summer season, rainy season, winter season. Children, do you know which season is going on? Yes, this is winter season. It's very cold. Okay. First one is summer season. It is very hot in summer. Summer season is very hot. So, we drink lots of water, juice, we eat ice cream, mangoes, watermelons during the summer season. We wear light, loose cotton clothes. Okay. And we sit under a fan, shady trees, or in rooms with air conditioners. Okay, children. And we bath more times. Okay, we eat cold things. Okay, understood? Children, circle the things you use on a hot day. Children, look here. Here are some things. So you have to circle which things you use on hot day. That things you have to circle. Okay. Yes, we use sunglasses. If you use sunglasses, so you have to circle like this. Okay. We eat ice cream, mango, watermelon. If you eat these things, so you can also circle like this. Understood? This is microwave. We make some hot things in microwave baking. Okay. So we do not use in summer season this microwave hot things. Okay. So we use only cold things. We like to eat cold drinks or cold things. Understood? Next is circle the things you like to have on hot day. Children, here are some things: juice, hot tea, coconut water, soup, water. Children, this is your homework. Circle the things you like to have on a hot day. Which things you like to have on hot day? Okay. If you like juice, so you have to circle like this. Understood, children? We drink more water during the summer season. Okay. Understood, children? Next season is rainy season. It rains lots in the rainy season. So, we use umbrellas, raincoats, gum boots. It protects ourselves from rain. We hear thunder and see lightning in the sky. Sometimes we can also see a rainbow. Rainbow has 7 colors. Do you like rainbow? Have you seen rainbow, children? Yes, it's very beautiful. Now, okay. Next, look here. We use umbrella, raincoat, gum boots. Okay, during the rainy season. We also see some animals: peacock, snail, earthworm. Okay, understood? Okay. Next is, here is a rhyme. Firstly, I will sing this rhyme and you have to learn also. Okay. I hear thunder, oh don't you Pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops. I'm wet through, I'm wet through. Okay, children, do you like this rhyme? Very good. And this is the last season, winter season. It is cold in winter. During this season, it is too cold. So we wear warm clothes like sweaters, mufflers, jackets, shawls, socks, and gloves. We like to eat hot things. So we make hot things. We make bake hot things in microwave. Okay, we drink hot tea, soup, etc. Okay, children, we also like to sit near bonfire. Look here, look this picture. Some children sit near the bonfire. Okay, this is your homework. Move in the square and circle the things you use in winter. We all are use sweaters in winter season. So you have to circle like this. We eat peanuts, groundnuts for warm our body. Okay. Which things you use in winter season? So that things you have to circle. Okay, children, understood? Next is circle the things we use to keep warm. Yes, here are some things. Sweater, caps, woolen cap, ice cube, hot tea, gloves, soup and fan. Which things we use to keep warm? Yes, sweater, woolen cap, hot tea, hand gloves, soup. These things we use to keep warm. So you have to circle these all things. Okay, understood, children? Ice cube, it is too cold, so we don't use this cold things. We like to eat hot things. And we do not use fan also during the winter season. Okay, children, understood? This is the last season. This season is winter season. Winter season, it is cold in winter. We wear warm clothes like sweaters, jackets, muffler, shawl, socks and gloves. We like to eat and drink warm or hot things like soup, hot tea, peanuts, okay, dry fruits. Okay, these things we use and we eat. Children, move in the square and circle the things you use in winter. Which things you use in winter time, winter season? If you use, we all are use sweaters. Okay, so you have to circle like this. Understood? And which things you use in winter time? So you have to circle like these things. Okay. Circle the things we use to keep warm. Children, look at this picture. Here are some things: sweater, woolen cap, ice cube, hot tea, hand gloves, soup and fan. Children, which things we use to keep warm? Yes, sweater. So you have to circle like this. And woolen cap, hot tea, hand gloves, soup. Okay, children. This is ice cube. This is fan. Ice cube is very cold. Okay, children. We don't use fan during the winter season. Okay.